Hi everyone, it's ShoMeJapan's local tour guide, and I have got over 250 5 stars review. So today I'm at the sushi restaurant. Of course, you guys know what is sushi, but maybe you don't know how to eat sushi properly. We ordered eating sushi, so I have met like over 2,000 guests from all over the world, and every time I do those kind of tour, I've got to ask, so how to eat sushi properly? What is the manner at this restaurant? Those kind of questions a lot. So today, I'm gonna share with you guys the sushi manner and how to eat sushi, those stuff. If you watch this video to the end, you don't get any trouble at the sushi restaurant in your country or even in Japan. Let's get started. So first, I'm gonna tell you things you are not supposed to do at the sushi restaurant or when you eat sushi. And the first thing you are not supposed to do at the sushi restaurant or when you eat sushi is dipping the rice into the soy sauce.
Oh no, you did it.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm ruining it. But this one, the reason why we don't do this is the rice is getting like absorbed more like soy sauce, and it's get really salty. And also it's hard to eat the rice because it's easy to break into like this. See? So you are not supposed to do. If you do this, you won't get in trouble, but this is not good. This is the first thing you are not supposed to do. So next thing you are not supposed to do is a split sushi like this, cut it in half, or just bite half. It's good, but you're not supposed to do this. Alright, so next one, you're not supposed to separate the fish and the rice. Sometimes I used to do this at a home and a sushi restaurant like this.
Okay.
This is not good. You can do that, like I say, like sushi chef making this sushi the good balance, and also here it's in wasabi inside. But if you do this, to break the balance, you're not supposed to do this as well. So like sushi chef like making a sushi is a good balance of the rice and sushi like in the tuna, the sashimi itself. So you better to eat the one bite just once. If you break into, you can see like in a dose of rice, it's like the break into pieces. So it's better to eat just one bite. I'm a beeraholic. I love, freaking beer. Asahi the best. Bye. This is a wasabi. Here in Japan, we use real wasabi. Some of my guests are from the States. They told me they use a horseradish. It's not real wasabi or something, but this one is real. It's really like flavor. And the reason why we use wasabi is kill bacteria, keep the fish fresh. You eat this one and like the wasabi spicy, like and go through your nose. I love it. The next one is mix wasabi with soy sauce. My family do this at home. You better not to do this at the fancy sushi restaurant. The reason why is if you do this, wasabi flavor is gone. So especially for sushi, you are not supposed to do this. But when you eat seafood bowl, this is the right way to use the wasabi and the soy sauce. Because you pour wasabi like overall seafood bowl equally. Seafood bowl, you can do this. But if you eat the sushi, you're not supposed to do this. Usually, sushi chef already put in the right amount of wasabi. So me, I don't put extra wasabi if I go to the fancy restaurant or omakase set. Okay, so next one you are not supposed to do this is smoking. I mean like after smoking, or like if you put too much perfume and smell way too strong, and some like a restaurant is very cozy, that smell is really annoying to the other customers, and also you can smell the flavor of sushi or something. So if you're going to sushi, I recommend you to not smoke or don't put too much perfume on it. I just told you guys things you're not supposed to do at the sushi place and when you eat sushi. But now I'm gonna tell you like tips how to eat sushi properly, being like a local Japanese. So I've been always asking like which one is the best, to use chopstick to eat sushi or your hand to eat sushi. Actually, the answer is both way is fine. So either way fine. That means like as you like. If you don't use a chopstick, you can use hand. And if you can use chopstick, it's alright. I will show you how to eat sushi with chopstick and hand and with dipping soy sauce. So first one, I'm gonna use chopstick. This is yellow tail. The side, you only dip the fish side and eat. I'm gonna teach you how to eat sushi with hand. First, clean up your hands carefully.
You just grab it.
Rub it, and you dip the sauce only for fish. Mm. Okay, so next, this we say the gunkang. This is a sea urchin and rubbed by the seaweed. This is a little bit hard to dip in the soy sauce. If you like it didn't turn over, maybe this one is falling into the soy sauce. If you dip it in the rice absorb a lot of soy sauce, so it'll be super salty. Then we use this ginger pickle. Always comes with sushi, and you dip in the soy sauce, and then you can do like this,
That's like a trick.
right? This is the right way to put the soy sauce onto those kind of gunkang stuff. This is the best so far. So next, when you eat eel or those kind of like already seasoned fish, you are not supposed to put soy sauce because it's already seasoned. This is the best. More. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you like the order to eat sushi. Nowadays, you can eat as you like. You can just eat from tuna, maybe salmon or like sea urchin, whatever. But if I have to say the order, there is a best way to enjoy the taste or flavor of sushi. So usually, you better start from the plain taste to rich taste, or less fatty to fatty. Then you can feel more like a taste. If you eat the fatty tuna first, so you don't feel any like a taste of from maybe squid or red snapper. So those are like a plain taste, less fatty. So I recommend you to eat from like squid, maybe red snapper, and later on those fatty tuna. I think this is the best order to eat. You eat nigiri first, and then you ended up the sushi roll with the seaweed and something. This is the right order, but like I said, now you can eat as you like, so you don't have to follow the order. I mean, if you eat like no order or something, you won't get trouble, so you don't have to. So next step, so when you go to sushi restaurant, usually like a sushi chef gives you the sushi. So after like they give you sushi, you eat as soon as possible. I mean, you can take one picture, two pictures, it's okay. The best timing to eat sushi is right after the chef gives you. Next step is, when you go to the restaurant, you always get the tea, like green tea. So this is called agari. So you can actually order the tea, like hot tea, for free, almost all places. The reason why we drink tea at the sushi restaurant is, after you eat the sushi and you drink the tea, and the tea wash off the fattiness in your mouth, and then you can enjoy next sushi flavor and taste 100%. So that's why in between the sushi, you better drink tea. It can be beer though. Thank you for watching this video. I share with you guys things you're not supposed to do at the sushi restaurant or when in sushi. But it's actually now it's not that strict. Don't be like super nervous to go sushi restaurant. But what I'm telling is, if you know this like manner, like things to do, things not to do, it'll be super great. You feel like, oh, you know a lot of Japanese culture. It's more like a respectful. If you have any questions, like leave a comment. I will reply you definitely, 100%. So yeah, thank you for watching. So we ended up the roll, okay? See you next one. Bye bye.